Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're going to fire up the Traeger grill and we're going to make us an apple pie on the Traeger grill. Y'all stick around, I'll show y'all what we're working with in just a minute. Alright, we got a store-bought pie crust, deep dish of course. We got some apple pie filling. I'm not doing the real, raw apples and all that, but we got that. We got some unsalted cream butter. We got some Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. We got some brown sugar. We got our topper for our pie, and I got some melted butter right there. So let me get back over here and let's get this party started, y'all. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, you thaw out your pie crust and you take your fork and you dock it. This is called docking your dough. You just take your fork and just punch a few holes in there, keep it from bubbling up when you're cooking. And this will come out looking like a bunch of little bird tracks on the bottom. So, alright, next thing I'm going to do, y'all make y'all's how you want to, is actually take a little bit of this unsalted butter. And I'm going to shave this kind of thin. And I'm just going to lay a little bit of this in the bottom of my pie crust here. And I'm doing that because I can. Okay? Now, we're going to put a little brown sugar in the bottom of that. Looking good so far, huh, y'all? Alright. Some of my Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. Y'all remember that stuff, man? That's the buttery, cinnamon, sugary stuff there. Alright. Then we're going to take our pie filling. Whole thing. Going in. We'll work out the rest. I think that's going to be alright. I'm not a baker, I told y'all that, but hey, we'll try anything once. Twice if it come out alright. So, alright, so we got that did. And we're going to put some more Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake on this. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I did end up using both my cans, 2 21-ounce cans of the pie filling. And we're going to hit that with some more Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake, y'all. Man, I tell you what, it smells good. About that much. Can't hurt nothing, right? Alright, let me see if I can get this top trimmed up. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, we got her trimmed up. Remove your excess and whatever you want to do with that, do it. I'm not going to keep that. I got what I need right here. And I'm just going to pinch this edge together here with the dough that's already in the pan. And one more thing you want to do, gang, is take your little knife and just put you a couple of slits in there like that. And let that air get out so it doesn't puff up on you. So, alright, last thing we're going to do, we're going to brush the top with some melted butter. Just like that. That looks pretty good. Y'all know we got to hit it with some more Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. Look at that. Look at that. Boy, that's nice. Man, if y'all could smell this, oh my goodness. Alright, I'll meet y'all out by the Traeger. Alright gang, let's get this put on here. Pan picture drippings there. Alright, we're gonna shut it down. We're gonna run this 375 or so for probably 15, maybe 20 minutes. We'll come out and check on it in 15 minutes. Alright, we've been about 15 minutes or so. It's getting there. I see some apple playing peekaboo right there. It's getting firmed up. We're gonna get that kind of golden brown color on there. So we're gonna go another 10 or so. We'll come back and check it. Alright, we've been going actually probably about 30 minutes or so. 35, something like that. Let's see what we got, y'all. Ooh, man. Oh, it smells good, I tell you that. Looks nice, huh? Oh, yeah. Nice little golden brown right there. Alright. Let's get this pulled off, let it cool down a little bit, and we'll get some of this. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Our pie has been cooling for about 20-25 minutes. Still a little warm on the bottom. We're going to try and cut a piece. See if we can do this, y'all. Let's do this one right here. Got a little slice. If we can get it broke loose, huh? What y'all think about that? Alright. Oh man. Still smoking, y'all. Check that out. Ooh, lordy. Oh my gosh, that cinnamon. That smells so good, y'all. Alright, folks, there you go. Apple pie on a Traeger Pro 34. Let's get some of that out of the way. We got to have some of this crust right here. Look at that. Oh, y'all come up here. You know, we got to get a little bite of this goodness. Cheers to you, gang. You know what that reminds me of? The way I made this? When you go to one of your fast food chains and they got those hot apple pies in the little sleeve, you know? That's what that crust tastes like. Dang, that's good, y'all. I'm impressed with that. Yeah, man. We gotta hit that one more time. Oh yeah, that'll eat for sure. Anyway, just a semi-homemade, quick, easy apple pie on the Traeger Pro 34. That thing bakes pretty good. So, anyway, appreciate y'all. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.